Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 55 days English mastery plan. Today I have come up with this wonderful video. In this video, I will tell you how you can improve your English in just 55 days. My dear friends, learning English is a journey. It doesn't happen in one day or in 2 days' time, nor in 1 week's time. But if you are consistent, if you are focused and if you are determined, you will be able to reach certain better position if you are practicing regularly and if you are hardworking. So 55 days is a good amount of time. I can tell you, if you practice regularly, it's at least 30 to 40 minutes every day for the next 55 days, you can see a drastic change in your English. Your English will improve in a much better way. So follow this video till the end and I'm sure you will get a lot of ideas what you should do in the next 55 days. But before I start, I have a question for you. What is the past tense of the verb run? Do you know? Please comment. And yes, I have started another YouTube channel in English. Very useful for you. If you like, you can subscribe. Link is given in the description. Now let's begin with today's video. 55 days English mastery plan. To become better in English within 55 days, it is essential to focus on all aspects of language learning. You have to focus on reading, writing, listening, speaking. Everything should be done. And then only you will be able to see the improvement. So I have come up with a routine which you can follow and see how your English sounds after 55 days. Now in the morning, maybe you are free for 30 minutes. What you can do? You can do some useful things which can improve your English. You can start your day by reading. Now, the most important thing which I want to share with you is that do not start with newspaper. Newspaper contains a lot of very tough words and it will be very difficult for you to understand.
No, you don't understand.
What I will suggest pick up books which are very easy for you to understand. I will tell you name of 2 books. One is Who Moved My Cheese? Next one is Who Will Cry When You Die? I am sure if you read these books, you will find interest, plus you will find improvement. I will give the link of these books in the description. If you want, you can purchase. Now, how to read? Very important. You have to read the books loud and clear. Suppose I have a book now. Okay, I have a book. What I will be doing, many of you guys, what you do, you just pick up the book and read in your mind. When Prophet Muhammad was talking to a group of his disciples, he asked each one of them to tell him what they possessed. So what you are doing, you're just reading very slowly, murmuring. Whereas you need to read it loud and clear. Your mind should get the training. When you're reading it loud and clear, your mind gets the training to speak in English. So how to read? Let me tell you. The monk who was in the mountain, he came across Shiva. Shiva was meditating and he was meditating for the last 6,000 years. So what I did, I read this loud and clear. I gave pauses in between. I tried to understand what the author is trying to explain. So it is very important for you to read loud and clear. When you read it loud and clear, you will come across some words. Okay, you need to note down these words. And that's how you can improve your vocabulary. Whenever you read something, take a pencil, underline those new words and try to find the meaning of those new words and try to form sentences with that. That is a great way to start your day by reading and getting some new words in your mind. Let me share with you 5 new words. You can learn these words. Got it? Next, afternoon. Maybe you are free for 30 minutes. What you can do? You can sit down in a place where no one is disturbing you and you can start listening to something. Watch a short video, listen to a podcast or a TED Talk in English. When you are listening, where you need to focus? The main focus should be on pronunciation, intonation and vocabulary. Now what you have to do, just listening will not help. After listening, you have another activity. Let me share with you a small audio. You have to listen it very attentively.
Elizabeth I was Queen of England for 45 years during the late 1500s. Her nickname was the Virgin Queen. The Queen was highly intelligent and fluent in 6 different languages.
So now what I did, I was listening to it very carefully. And what you have to do next, whatever you have heard, you need to explain that in your own words. Okay? Just think for a while and explain it in your own words. So how to do? Queen Elizabeth. She was in England for 45 years. She got a nickname which is called Virgin Queen, and she was able to speak 6 different languages. So see, what I did after listening to that audio, I tried my way to explain what is there in the audio. This is a great exercise, my dear friend. Listen, think, and then explain in your own words. This will help you to start thinking in English, and this will help you to build confidence whenever you speak in English. Evening, what you have to do? Now suppose you're free in the evening for 30 to 40 minutes. You need to start writing. Writing plays a very big role in improving our English. Writing helps us to develop our mind to start thinking in English. I come across many videos where it is explained how to start thinking in English. Instead of watching these videos, I will tell you, just start writing. Pick up a topic, whatever you feel, and start writing 5 sentences, 10 sentences, and you see the improvement after a few months. Or you can also write what you did the entire day. How was your day? What is the plan for your next day? In this way, you can think in English and keep writing in English. Finally, you should not forget about grammar. My dear friends, I will always tell you that if you want to memorize the rules of grammar, you will fail. Instead, you need to focus on basic lessons, how to use articles, how to use tenses. Don't master the rules. Go through the examples. When you're listening, focus more on your listening, how they are speaking, because grammar you will be finding there as well. Grammarly is also another great website which can help you to improve your grammar. Let me share with you 3 grammar quiz. If you can, answer it and share with me. Got it? Finally, weekdays are gone. Okay, the routine which I have shared is for the weekdays. Now weekends you have. What you will do? You need to work on your conversation. My dear friends, you know everything now. Reading, writing, speaking, listening, everything is good for you. But unless you speak, do you think you will be able to speak fluently? No. So in order to become fluent, you need to start having conversation. Go to ChatGPT. Write, give me a conversation between 2 friends. You will get it. After that, you can read it loud and clear. This is a great exercise. It can help you to improve your conversational skill. You will get an idea how people communicate in English. Got it? So what we did today? We did a lesson plan, a routine which you need to follow so that in 55 days you will see a lot of improvement. My dear friends, English is a great language, I will tell you. If you learn English, you will find opportunities knocking at your door. What I mean to say you will find so many things happening in your life. You will become successful. People will start respecting you. What more you want? So I will always tell you, give importance to English. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till the next video. Thank you so much.